7 points, single ladies, that God hasn't forgotten you. Here's point number 1. God sees you and he knows your heart. God sees you and he knows your heart. First and foremost, let me reassure you of this through scripture, that God does in fact see you. In Psalms 139, 1 through 3, David writes, he says, "You have searched me, Lord, and you know me." He has searched us. He searched you, Susan. He searched you, me, Amanya, and he knows us. God knows when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. He can see everything, everything about us. You are not invisible to God. Every tear, every prayer, every longing, he knows it all. He knows the dreams you've tucked away into your heart and the love you yearn to give. He knows what's in your heart. He knows that your heart is full and bursting with love, and you want to share that. He knows. God created you with love and with purpose, and his plans for your life are good. Don't let the silence make you doubt his presence. Waiting doesn't mean abandonment, my dear. No, it doesn't. It means preparation for something greater than you can imagine. So, I don't know what season you are in, my dear friend Susan, but I am in a building process right now. God is preparing me. And that's one of the reasons I'm making this kind of a content here on this channel. It's because I'm using what he's building in me, and I'm coming along and I'm sharing that right now through video and content. But this is a journey that I'm very much on along with you right now. So right now for me in this season, he is preparing me, he is building me, he is putting forth things in me that I never even saw, coming from the perspective of the partner, the woman, the wife. And so I am seeing these things. I'm seeing me in this role already. And these are some of the things that, I never implemented in my life, where I literally visualized. But that's what we're using right now. That's what we're doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm visualizing literally. And God is building me, in my imagination is just seeing these things. So I don't know where you are in the journey, but hey, the journey of preparation is something that we all can attest to, because we can all start to build ourselves, cultivate ourselves, and see us as that wife. We show up as her every day, right? We show up as her in whatever space that we're in, at work, here on YouTube, on our channels, in our lives, in our church, in our community. We're showing up like I'm showing up as Mrs. at this point. And I didn't have these tools to work with before, and so during this journey I am sharing this here. So if we want to be wives, ladies, we have to embrace that we are already her, and we show up as her every day, in every moment, in every aspect of our lives. And so that's where I'm at. And so again, preparation, I am preparing myself for that role. And God is also preparing me for that role. So I know he is preparing you, Susan, also for that role.